This video is Pilates for the obliques. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to do a 15-minute Pilates practice that can help you get your obliques into shape. We'll start off by coming onto our hands and knees. Just bring the hands under the shoulders, the knees under the hips. Make sure the knees are right under the hips. Fingers are spread out nice and wide to give yourself some support. And we'll start off by warming up the spine. Just exhale, roll the hips in, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, lift back up, lift the hips, slowly unroll the spine, lift the head. Just gaze up towards the ceiling. Exhale, roll in. Inhale, come back up. Just move with the breath a couple more times. Exhale, roll in. Inhale, come back up. And then just move from side to side. Drop the hips to one side, turn the head and shoulders to the opposite side. Excellent, good job. From here, we're going to stretch out the right arm and the left leg. Just reach through the heels, reach through the fingertips. On the exhale, bring the elbow and the knee together, slowly with control, engaging your core. Exhale, reach back through, and again. 3. And we'll do 2 more. 4 and 5. Good job. Come back to center. Keep the core engaged. That will help you keep your balance when you do this. Reach through the fingertips of that left hand. Reach through the heel of the right foot. Turn the pinky toe down. Exhale, bring the elbow and knee together. Inhale, lengthen back through. Again. 3. 2 more. 4. Moving slowly with control. And 5. Good job. Come back to center. Next, we can take the right hand, leave it on the floor, take that left leg, kind of bring it back behind you in a kickstand. Stretch out the right leg, and then bring the right arm out. And we're just going to bring the right elbow and the right knee together. Reach through, again. Good job. 3, 4, we'll do 10 of these. And you want to take this hip here and push it forward. 5, 6, 7, really engage those muscles as you bring your knee and your elbow together. And 10, good job. Now, if you're able to, take the top of that right foot, push it into the right hand. Keep bringing that left hip forward. Maybe look up at the ceiling. Good job. Switch sides. Just kind of kick that right leg back. Push the right hip forward. Left arm, left hand come out. Exhale, bring them together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then if you're able to, maybe grab the top of that left foot with the left hand. Keep pushing that right hip open, just pushing the top of the foot into the hand. Good job. Come back to the mat. Hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Spread the fingers out nice and wide. Look back behind you, make your feet disappear. And we're just going to move into downward facing dog. Tuck the toes under, bring the hips up, shoulders down. Just walk it out. Push one heel to the floor, then the other. Let the head hang heavy. Push the mat away with the hands. On the next in-breath, bring the right leg up. On the exhale, bring the right knee up. Touch it to the left elbow. Bring it up. Exhale again. Bring the right knee to the left elbow as you move forward. Inhale up. 3 more. Exhale, cross. Bring the right knee to the left elbow. Bring it up. 2 more. And 1 more. Lift that leg up. Good job. Drop it back down. On your in-breath, make your way into plank or kneeling plank. Shoulders over the wrists, slide them down your back. Keep your core engaged, reach through your heels. Come back up to down dog. 2 more times. Inhale, come forward to plank or kneeling plank. Exhale, push the mat away with the hands, come back. And 1 more time. Exhale, push the mat away with the hands, come back. Next, lift the left leg up. Keep pushing that right heel down. On your exhale, bring the left knee to the right elbow. Inhale, lift it back up. Move slowly with control. Exhale, bring the right knee, left knee to the right elbow. Inhale, lift it back up. Exhale, bring the heel in towards the hips. Cross that left knee, touch your right elbow. And 2 more times. Last one. Good job. Exhale, drop that foot down. Inhale, come to plank or kneeling plank. Hug the elbows into the sides. Slowly come down. Inhale up to cobra. Bring your heels together. Push your pelvis into the floor. Just lift up. Hug your elbows into your sides. Push yourself up. And then slowly make your way to the back edge of the mat. Just support your head with your right hand. Stretch your legs out to the corner of the mat. Point the toes up. We're going to support ourselves with our top hand. Really engage the core. On the in-breath, just lift the leg up, drop it down, walk it out. Inhale, lift up, drop it down, walk it out. We'll do 10 of these. Bring it up, drop it down, walk it out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Now we will do big leg circles. We're going to keep the toes pointed up, keep the core engaged. We're going to bring the top leg forward, bring it around, come back down. Try to keep the body still, not allowing it to move around a lot. 3, and 5. Good job. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really working to keep that body still. And 5. Good job. Now just bring the legs straight out. We're going to engage the core. We're going to lift the legs up, activate the feet, take that bottom leg, drop it down, bring it back up. Drop it down, bring it back up. 3, 4, and 5. Now drop both of them down, bring them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Slowly push yourself up with your free hand. Come down so that you're supported with your right arm. You can bring this right hip forward, stretch the left leg out. Maybe put your hand on your hip and just push your hips up, drop them back down. Push your hips up, drop them back down. 3, 4, 5. Now for the next 5, if you want to make it a little more challenging, you can lift this leg up like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, good job, you did it. Excellent work. Switch sides. Stretch out on the back of your mat. Support your head with your left arm. Bring your legs to a 45-degree angle so that the feet are at the corner of the mat. Support yourself with your top hand. Point the toes up. And then just lift that leg up. Drop it down. Walk it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Next, we're going to do big circles with our left leg. Just bring the foot up, bring it around, drop it down. Keep the hips stable, keep the belly button scooped in and pulled up. 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent work. Then switch so that the legs are stretched out in line with the body. We're going to really work on engaging the core. We're going to lift both legs up, keep them active, take that bottom leg, drop it down, bring it up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then both legs, drop them down, bring them up. 1, 2, you can do it. 3, keep the core steady. 4, and 5. Excellent job. Walk your hands towards you just a little bit. Support yourself with your arm. Make sure that the shoulder is right underneath. Or make sure the shoulder is right over the elbow. Push the hip up, stretch out that right leg. You can put your hands on your hip perhaps. Make sure the chest stays open. Drop the hip down, bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the next ones, if you want to make it a little more difficult, lift that leg up, keep it bent. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Come back to center. Just come to a comfortable seated position. Bring the right hand back behind the hips, left hand on the right knee. Sit up tall. Just turn to the right side. Good job. Come back to center. Go to the left. Left hand back behind the hips, right hand on the left knee. Sit up tall on your in-breath. Exhale, relax and release into the pose. Slowly come back to center. Lift the right arm up. Oh, good job. Lift the left arm up. Just sink into the pose. Look off to the left side. Excellent. Good work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you loved this video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, share, check me out on Instagram as well. And until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.